YouTube Shorts are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less, designed for short-form content that is easily consumed on mobile devices. Here are 7 YouTube Shorts ideas to make $100 per day fast. Recipe Shorts. Share quick and easy recipes that can be made in 60 seconds or less. Focus on visually appealing shots of the food being prepared, and include a list of ingredients and instructions in the video or in the description. Dance Tutorials. Create short and fun dance tutorials that are easy to follow. Consider adding popular songs to your videos and using trending dance moves to increase engagement. Travel Shorts. If you love traveling, create short travel videos featuring beautiful destinations, local culture, and unique experiences. You can add some tips for travelers to make your videos more valuable and engaging. Comedy Shorts. If you have a funny bone, create short comedy videos that are relatable and entertaining. Focus on relatable situations or trends that your audience can connect with. Beauty Shorts. Share quick beauty tips, tutorials, and reviews in 60 seconds or less. You can show off makeup looks, skincare routines, or hairstyling tips that are easy to follow. Product Reviews. Create short and concise reviews of products that are popular in your niche. You can highlight the features and benefits of the product and provide your honest opinion. DIY Shorts. Share quick DIY ideas that your audience can try at home. You can showcase easy and practical ideas for home decor, fashion, or organization. Remember, to make $100 per day with YouTube Shorts, you'll need to focus on creating engaging, high-quality content consistently. You should also promote your videos on social media and engage with your audience to increase your visibility and grow your channel.